sure you know you think he's dumb, but
No, I just said I thought I saw something irregular. Oh,
I'm dead.
what?
I'm dead. Maybe desync or something, but I died. I didn't hear a shot, nothing.
That I'm recording.
You're recording how I got killed because of your noovishness. Good. This was all Hawkeye's fault. He was a big noob. He told me, no, you need to go lie on top of that so you can be bait. He will not be able to hit you. All your fault, Hawk. You are a failure at life and as a YouTube artist. No one will even see this.
What should I do now? Stay patient or go?
Yeah, you should definitely just...
I see him. He's coming down the fire station.
It's actually on top of the fire station.
Yeah. He's coming down the tower.
Stupid. You should have stayed up there.
He's coming down though.
Yeah, well then he's stupid. Kill him while he's climbing down though. Should stay though. You should not leave the server.
Just open the door.
Fuck. Two of them. Oh, not one. Okay. Oh yeah. You haven't swiped him. What are you? Just shot them while they opened the door. Or couldn't you? Are you gonna die? Should I stay in Berezino or? Then we will simply stay. Proud of yourself. Go up to him, just him to be friendly and then betray him. Take a rock, stone, go search for a stone, take it in your hands, then you can knock him out in one hit.
Let's go that way, there's a guy with a gun.
Really? Where?
What's up?
Hey, there.
Over there? I want that gun. No man can stop me from getting that gun. Is he up there?
I don't...
Did he try to hit you? He died? Why aren't you? Just keep running in circles, I'll be right there and I will take you. You can't if he's attacking you, can ya? So either fight or lose him. Tell him he's a pussy little bitch. Mother is a... no.
Oh, you mad? And I told you I don't speak English, go away.
On my way though, I'm done. I hope you're healthy in terms of food and stuff, because otherwise... Come to me. Come towards like where I'm coming from. Run here. Fuck, running in circles. Come to me so I can help you.
I'm actually winning.
They're two of them. You're not winning. They're making you believe you're winning. This is.
I'm not even bleeding as well.
How are you not bleeding anymore? Oh. Wow. That's awesome. Alright, I'm coming. Grandpa to the rescue. I'm hungry again. Fuck. Do not let me be hungry. Axel them to sleep. Make them pay for their failures. Your pussy characters. Pussycat characters. Go hit them more. But there's two of them, they can just bandage up without you doing anything about it pretty much. Oh, they are bleeding from that. Fair enough. Pretty sure if I hit somebody with a normal hit in the head once, he'll die, but yeah. But have they been bleeding more? Just hope that they're not healthy and energized and hydrated, because otherwise you're fucked. Sorry. Kill the other now. Don't die. Don't you die on me. I am running as fast as I can.
I killed both of them. They're both.
How do I know this so well?
There's a guy here.
Cooling off how to make me fire. Found a can opener. And a skull bullet clover.
What the fuck?
What?
How the fuck did you find this?
On the side. Why?
How did you- I don't know. I was drinking and
Come to die.
there's
I'll
only a
take-
guy here. He has a weapon. He has my trumpet.
And it's loaded, isn't it?
Yeah.
Where is he? Is he inside?
No,
Person! Hello, don't point that pathetic gun at me.
Hey guys, friendly. Okay, we're not friendly.
No, I'm not friendly if you fucking point a weapon at me! Bleeding hawk. Why are you pointing a weapon at me?
You tell me.
I'm a hacksaw monster 9000. You can escape my
Gone? Bleeding. Drop the trumpet! My friend! That's my friend's trumpet! Yeah, and I'm trying to hit him, but the game is desyncing him to fucking shit. This desync doesn't make it easy to kill anyone, is it? back a trumpet. He wants to play the trumpet, if you know what I mean. I hit him twice. I'm feeling blood. I'm bandaging. I hit him 3 times, so he should be able to finish this up. Let's go. You are out of police, my friend. Oh yeah, I just ate by the way. Sorry, but he has his fucking range up. I hit him again. Look out. How is it you think you can win this? That's awesome. You're a failure. You're a failure.